안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make ojinguh-bokkeum, a favorite food among Koreans. When you stir fry squid and vegetables in a spicy and sweet sauce, it turns into a really tasty dish. Let's get started. Making the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste. If you can't have the spice food, you can reduce the amount of gochugaru. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add half teaspoon of minced ginger. Also, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add some pepper if you like it. This consistency is just right. Preparing the sauce in advance allows to make the food taste better. Preparing the vegetables. Cut half an onion into appropriate sizes. If you have carrots, slice them thinly for quick cooking. Slice the mushrooms thinly. Cut the green onions diagonally. You can also add cabbage or zucchini according to your preference. The vegetables are now ready. Preparing the squid. This is the squid I will use today. Remove the squid intestine and wash it well in water. You can cut the squid as it is, but for better absorption of the sauce, make diagonal cuts on one side. Make another diagonal cuts on the opposite side too. Cut it into about 3 pieces. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Squid is said to be rich in vitamin E, taurine, zinc, and DHA. Among these, taurine, known for fatigue recovery, helps improve liver function and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Cut the ear part in half and into small pieces. Cut the legs into appropriate sizes. Place the sliced squid in a bowl. Add the sauce we made earlier. Mix well. Stir frying the squid with a sauce like this will make it more flavorful. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a preheated pan. Put the carrots and onions. Stir fry the carrots and onions on a high heat for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the mushrooms and stir fry them together. Then add the squid, mix with the sauce, and stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on high heat. Using a wide pan and stir frying the squid on high heat will reduce moisture and improve the texture of the squid. If you stir fry the squid for too long, it becomes tough. Lastly, add the green onions and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and half tablespoon of honey or oligosaccharides. Mix well. This should be enough for 2 people. Serve it over rice, and you won't need any other side dishes. Very delicious and savory stir-fried squid is done. How was today's recipe? It's a dish that can bring back your appetite when you're feeling a bit off. Hope you give it a try. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.